Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a BMW key using an easy method. First, let's understand the different types of BMW keys you might encounter. Then, we will go over the essential tools required for this process. Finally, I will guide you through the straightforward steps to program your new key, ensuring a smooth and successful duplication. This method aims to simplify what might seem like a complex task. BMW vehicles typically utilize two primary key types, the classic diamond-shaped key and the more modern comfort access key. For our easy method, you will need a few key items. First, a reliable key programmer, which can be purchased online for around $100 to $200. Second, a new blank key compatible with your BMW model. Lastly, a laptop equipped with the appropriate diagnostic software is crucial for the programming process. Now, let's dive into the simple programming steps. Begin by connecting your key programmer to your BMW's OBD2 port, usually located under the dashboard. Next, insert your new blank key into the designated slot on the programmer device. The software on your laptop will then guide you through a series of prompts. Carefully follow these instructions, which typically involve reading data from your car and writing it to the new key, a process taking about 5 to 10 minutes. After programming, it is crucial to thoroughly test your new BMW key. First, check all remote functions, ensuring the lock, unlock, and trunk release buttons work perfectly. Next, verify that the key starts the engine without any issues. Finally, confirm that all doors lock and unlock correctly. Having a fully functional spare key provides immense peace of mind and can save you significant hassle in unexpected situations, making this easy method truly worthwhile.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.